DJ is so funky, man.
ScrazyBeats.com.
Yeah,
That's crazy. Beats.
1, 2, 3. My swag is socially and it's ludicrous, and I whip it, call me Prodigy because I get that and I always had the masterpiece, and I'm coming hard, Soldier Slim and Busta Rhymes because I'm Busta Rhymes, hit 'em with that 9 boy, because I'm coming hard, got that 35 boy, because I'm knocking niggas out and they call me Floyd because I'm knocking niggas out in Illinois, whooping niggas in Texas, right around Tennessee, because I'm knocking niggas out, call me Biggie B, Bun B is ludicrous, call me Little Pimp C, Soldier Slim, I ride around and I killed the Nike out because I killed that, and they call me Manny Pacquiao because I'm too cold, knocking nigga out, got the pass to my nigga, here we all got the swag boy, here we got the master for social media swag boy, because we not scared of no niggas, ho.
No. Look, just got me thinking about this time. You got me stressing and been waiting on your calls, cause I still don't learn my lesson. It's a blessing and I'm still alive, cause you still ain't here. I haven't heard you in a while, girl, it's been a year. And all these tears fall up in this piece of paper. Yeah, you know it really hurts. Yeah, cause it's like a razor, like a razor. It's like I'm sinking, stuck in quicksand. My boys tell me give it up while I still can. But man, fuck all these bitches, man, I need some pussy. I just want the right bitch, give me some head. Yeah, I can't think about what I do in my life, man. I just took this shit, do.
I'm going in, I'm the boss when I do it. Fucking bad bitches on my dick, who give a fuck, I'm too I'm a boss when I do it. And I got them racks, bitch, hit the hella bands, and I got them fucking stacks, bitch. Who give a fuck, nigga, they your money, bitch. Mr. Bell Lop, Mr. Gonna fucking cash out. Bitches on my dick, who give a fuck like a bitch, nigga on my dick, who give a fuck about shit. Nigga, I'm a boss and I grew up in the Bay. Then the south side nigga, who give a fuck, nigga in the hay. Nigga, I come over with the K and shoot you niggas with the K. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and trade, nigga. I'ma fuck your mama and she think she thick cause she slick. I don't give a fuck, and she can suck my dick like she bit. Bitch, this shit big asshole like she slick. I don't give a fuck, man. She can suck my fucking dick, bitch.